In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods for GTA San Andreas on Android. So let's get started. First, save your progress from the original GTA San Andreas game. Second, open your browser and search GTA SAMLCLEO Enter the first website. Scroll down and tap on download. Third, download Zarchiver from the Play Store. Open it, go to the Android folder, then data. Find the folder named com.rockstar.games.gtasa. Long press, choose rename, and add a number, like 1 at the end. Go back, open the OBB folder, and do the same thing. Rename com.rockstar.gtasa by adding 1. Fourth, uninstall the original GTA San Andreas game. Open Zarchiver again and go to the downloads folder. Find the CLEOAPK and install it. After installation, go back to the Android folder. Restore the original folder names by removing the one from both data and OBB. Finally, open the download, then the Cleo APK folder. Tap 3 dots and select multi-select. Choose the 2 CLEO files, copy them, and paste them into the Android GTA folder. Select replace when prompted. Again, go to downloads, then mods. Copy all the mod files and paste them into the same Android GTA folder. And that's it for today's video. Download more mods from gtainside.com and remember to copy and paste them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!